Right, today at Gravity Mining we're going to do a little bit of an instruction video on how to install the Pure Select scraper arm system and use a setting tool to set the right height so that the blades are in good contact with the scraper arm. So this is a typical Pure Select scraper arm cartridge system. We've got these special lock nuts that make it easier to install and tighten them in position. You can do it one-armed with a... Now we've got the scraper arm in place. It's still loose, so you can move it up and down. And what we've got is we've got this tool, which is a fixing tool that comes with it. And that's used to set the height correctly. When we do it in the workshop, we do it in the 6 o'clock position. Most likely when you're in the field you won't be able to do that, but if you take the top launder off, you can do it on the 90-degree position like this. And basically what this does is it goes down in here to make sure that everything is down against it. And then you can see there, in good position, we can tighten those, lock off the scraper arms, and then we can install the cartridge. All right, the scraper arm's in situ. Scraper arm is down against with the tool. Now, one thing to note that goes on the outset of the hole, so you will see these two holes here on the scraper arm, and also on these side of the Pure Select ones, they go on the folded side of the bracket, not on this side. So they do go on the underside. It's the only place they can fit, which is on the bent side of the scraper arm. And they're locked in position now, so this should be able to come out. So here's the scraper arm. This is a B scraper arm. This is a shorter one. And that should be, it's easy to install when it's at 12 o'clock, so we'll put it back up to 12. Bit more, there we are. 12 o'clock. Goes around the latches to go underneath it, in the back. Yep. Retaining washer, bolt. I haven't got any washers on this for a demo. It should have washers on it. And that's it, it's in situ, and what you can see is there's a nice little bit of slack on that. You just should rock around, and it should be the same front and back of the arm. You don't want it too tight, because otherwise you're putting too much load. So it's set just to give you that little bit of load in there, and it should be the same at the back. And that's it, that's all there is to it.